Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn about division. I have already explained about addition, subtraction, multiplication in my previous videos. Link of those videos are given in the description below. Please do not forget to watch those videos. Before we start, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, it will directly notify you. So now with that said, let's start the video by learning the definition of division. Here, the action of splitting something into equal parts or the process of being separated is called division. Now after knowing the definition, let's see some of the parts of division. Number 1, divisor. Number 2, dividend. Number 3, quotient. And number 4, remainder. Now let's learn about these parts with the help of an example. Here 3 is going to divide 7. Now 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 gives us 1. So 3, the number that is going to divide, is called divisor. The number that has to be divided is called dividend. The answer that you got after dividing is called quotient, and the remaining number is called remainder. Now let's learn more about division with the help of some examples. Number 1, 28 divided by 2. First of all, if we get question in this format, we have to change its format in this way. And we put dividend and divisor in its own places. Where 2 1s are 2. When we subtract 2 minus 2, we get answer 0. Now we bring this 8 down. Now it's turn for 8 to be divided. 2 4s are 8, and when we subtract 8 minus 8, we get answer 0. Here 2 is divisor, 28 is dividend, 14 is quotient, and 0 is remainder. Now it's turn for the next example. 368 divided by 3. First of all, we change its format and we put dividend and divisor in its places, and we start dividing. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 gives us 0. We bring 6 down. 3 2s are 6. And when we subtract 6 minus 6, we get 0. Now we bring 8 down. 3 2s are 6. And when we subtract 8 minus 6, we get 2. Here again 3 is divisor, as we already know that. 368 is dividend. 122 is quotient. And finally 2 is remainder. Students, now I hope you know what is divisor, what is dividend, what is quotient, and what is remainder. Now let's move on with some more examples. 4346 divided by 5. Once again, we first change its format, then we put dividend and divisor in its places. Here we can see that 5 is greater than 4, which is not divided. Even though it is not divided, we must divide each and every digit. Please do not forget that. So, since 5 cannot divide 4, it will divide by 0. 5 zeros are 0, and 4 minus 0 gives us 4. We bring 3 down. Now 43 is divided by 5. 5 8s are 40. Now 43 minus 40 gives us 3. Now we bring 4 down. 5 6 are 30. 34 minus 30 gives us 4. Then we bring 6 down. 5 9s are 45, and the remaining number is 1. So we got answer 869 with the remainder 1. Now it's turn for next example. 2047 divided by 6. First of all, we change its format and we put divisor and dividend in its places. Once again, you can see a 2 is smaller than 6, which is not divided. So we divide it by 0. 6 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 gives us 2. Then we bring 0 down. Then we get that 6 3s are 18. And when we subtract 18 from 20, we get 2. And we bring the next digit, that is 4, down. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24 gives us 0. Then we bring the last digit, 7, down. 6 1s are 6. And 7 minus 6 gives us 1. So we got answer 341 with the remainder 1. Now it's turn for the next example. 607 divided by 54. Now first of all we change its format and we write divisor and dividend in its correct place. Here we can see that 6 is smaller than 54, so which is not divided by 54. Still we have to divide, so we divide by 0. 54 zeros are 0. 6 minus 0 gives us 6. Then we bring the next digit down. Then 54 ones are 54. When we subtract 54 from 60, we get answer 6. Then we bring the next digit 7 down. Again 54 ones are 54 and we subtract it. 7 minus 4 gives us 3 and 6 minus 5 gives us 1. So here we got answer 11 with the remainder 13. Now the next example is 9264 divided by 12. Here we first change its format by writing divisor and dividend in its correct places. Here again we see that 9 is smaller than 12, which is not divided, so we divide by 0. 9 zeros are 0. 9 minus 0 gives us 9. Then we bring 2 down, where 12 sevens are 84. Now subtracting 84 from 92, we get 8. Then we bring 6 down, which becomes 86. 12 sevens are 84 again, and subtracting 84 from 86, we get 2. Then we bring 4 down. Now 12 twos are 24. So 24 minus 24 gives us 0. Here we got answer 772 with the remainder 0. Now let's see some of the examples including 10, 100, 200, 3000, etc. And our first example is 20 divided by 10. First of all, we can cancel the equal number of zeros on the both sides. Here we can cancel one 0 from 10 and another 0 from 20. So after cancelling, we get 2 divided by 1. Once again, then we change this format and we divide it. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 minus 2 gives us 0. So here we got answer 2. Then we move on with next example, 800 divided by 20. Again, we can cancel the zeros. Remember students, we can cancel only equal number of zeros. We cannot cancel all the zeros. Here we can cancel only 1 0 from each side. So now remaining number is 80 divided by 2. Then we change this format and we put divisor and divide it in its correct places. So 2 4s are 8. When we subtract 8 from 8, we get answer 0. Then we bring the next digit 0 down. Now here, even though the number is 0, we must divide, because when we bring any digit down by showing this arrow, we must divide it. So 2 zeros are 0 and finally we get remainder 0. Our next example is 32,000 divided by 400. Once again we are going to cancel the number of zeros. 110 is cancelled and again another zeros are also cancelled. So the remaining number is 320 divided by 4. So we change its format first and we put divisor and dividend in its correct places. Once again 3 is smaller than 4, but we must divide. So 4 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 gives us 3. Then we bring 2 down, which becomes 32. 4 8s are 32 and the remainder is 0. Then we bring the next 0 down. Once again we have to divide it. So 4 zeros are 0. Now finally our remainder is 0. And our last but not the least example is 82,000 divided by 900. So we can again cancel the zeros. We cancel equal number of zeros from both the sides. So we got 820 divided by 9. Then we change its format by writing its dividend and divisor in its correct places. Once again 8 is smaller than 9, which is not divided by 9. Still we have to divide, so we divide it by 0. 9 zeros are 0. When we subtract 8 minus 0, we get answer 8. Then we bring 2 down. 9 9s are 81. Now when we subtract 81 from 82, we get answer 1. Then we bring the next digit 0 down. 9 1s are 9, and when we subtract that 9 from 10, we get answer 1. Now here we got answer 91 with the remainder 1. Now I hope you are clear about division. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button And if you have got any queries, don't forget to mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye bye.